Remains fierce for homebuyers here in the Bay Area.
As summer approaches, the pace of properties being sold is really starting to heat up, and KRON 4's Zeke Madioun spoke with people at Zillow about the speed at which homes are selling.
According to a recent analysis of the Bay Area housing market by Zillow, the month of April saw housing demand outweigh the supply, leading to properties being sold at an unusually accelerated rate. And that even includes traditionally hot real estate markets like San Francisco.
A quarter of homes coming off the market in less than a week, and 3/4 of homes coming off the market in under a month.
Zillow economist Nancy Wu talks about some of the drivers pushing the pace of home sales.
The speed at which homes are coming off the market is in large part due to the fact that there's been a lot of technology that makes the process of home shopping more efficient. Interest rates have been a big reason why many buyers are coming onto the market. We saw record low interest rates in the pandemic.
In the San Francisco metro housing market, 26% of the homes sold within 7 days. Nearly 86% sold within the first month, and 27% of the least expensive homes sold within a week. Similar results could be found in the South Bay and the San Jose metro housing market, where only 10% of homes lasted 2 months or more on the market.
What we're seeing is buyers really have this renewed sense of optimism in the market. That's happening because of vaccines, because of the change in the administration.
East Bay realtors say that same speed in which properties are being sold in San Jose and San Francisco is consistent in places like Antioch as well.
We'll list the property on a Monday of this week, and by next Monday, Tuesday at the latest, we're taking offers, at which time the seller's receiving upwards of, in my case, I had 11 offers on my property, my listing, and I've seen other listings have as many as 30 and 40 offers as well.
More than 2/3 of housing experts surveyed by Zillow say they expect inventory to begin growing again later this year or in the first half of 2022, in which they anticipate will help cool the hot pace of home sales. Zeke Madioun, KRON 4 News.